Time is very valuable. Time waits for none. All of us should make the proper use of time. The man who makes the best use of his time is sure to succeed. Those who waste their time cannot succeed in life. All the great men of the world made the best use of time. We should follow them. Education is the backbone of a nation. No nation can prosper without education. Ignorance is similar to darkness. So the light of education is necessary for society. Everybody has to realize this truth. Students have to be aware of their responsibility. Otherwise, there will be no hope for the nation.